I'm so excited you're here because I know you love color.
Yes.
How do you feel about blue on the eyes?
Obsessed with blue on the eyes. Can we do
Thank
blue on the
goodness.
eyes?
Yes, yes,
okay,
yes,
great.
yes. Because we have 12 new shades of our Caviar eyeshadow sticks.
Amazing.
And I brought 3 of them here to play with, and 2 of them happen to be blue.
Perfect.
So I have the turquoise and I have the indigo. Which one do you like?
Ooh, can I see?
Yeah.
Okay. So we have the indigo and the turquoise.
Yes.
I prefer the indigo.
Knew it. I was
but
gonna say turquoise.
You were not. You were
I know.
not. No, you
I swear
didn't.
that that's my favorite.
Okay.
Okay, no, we're gonna play with both of them.
Both.
Compromise.
Let's do it.
So I'm gonna show you how to wear it. Like, you know, you'll love it because it'll be intense and colorful. And then I'll show you how to make it a little bit more subtle so you can wear it for every day.
Cool. Can't
All right?
wait.
Great. So indigo first. Right along the lash line. Make like you're doing a thick eyeliner. And I love using fingers for these caviar sticks.
Me too.
And then just blend it in.
Like, can't wait to see. Okay. Okay, love.
Okay, so we did a little
Loving
bit
it.
of the indigo. They glide really easily.
They really do. It's really soft.
Yep.
It's really creamy. I really like that.
So now we're gonna go back with the turquoise. You can layer these or build a little bit higher, which is what I'm doing. So I'm building it up onto the lid. Doesn't have to look perfect at first because then you're gonna go back with your fingers.
And blend.
And blend, thank you. And it's really cool, like what we're doing, we're getting this really nice gradation that goes from indigo into the turquoise.
Oh, I love. Okay, it's actually really beachy.
Yeah,
I'm really
yeah.
this beachy vibe.
I'm gonna go back with a little more indigo, just to intensify. So I'm gonna show you.
I love this.
I'm gonna show you a little plot
This
twist.
is so nice. Okay, plot twist?
Yep, and what's cool about this one is this is called Pearl. And this is one that if you want to soften it or you want to make it really wearable for a day, add this on top and it's gonna make it this really cloudy, beautiful, like minty color.
Cool.
So, and it does give a little bit of a 60s Parisian effect. So I'm just applying right over everything, over the entire lid, and it completely changes the entire vibe of the look. I think you're gonna love this.
I'm sure I will.
So have a look.
Oh, wow. Oh my gosh.
Isn't that
that's
cool?
Huge difference.
Yeah.
Pearl really makes it like, illuminate.
This is like my favorite color. Okay, so
Even me out.
even you out, right back over with the pearl.
Feels really nice on. It
Good,
feels like there's
good,
nothing
good.
there.
Well, that's the thing too. I mean, these things are pretty weightless. So we like Effortless because you
Oh
can
my gosh.
put them
it's
on,
so
blend it in with your
good.
finger.
It's so good.
I love it.
Me too.
So let's do a little bit of mascara.
Yes, please.
I'm gonna use Chai, which is like a peachy pink. And then finish with a beautiful beige lip.
Love that color.
Yes.
What color is that?
It's beige on team. And then we're gonna finish with just a little lip gloss. We're gonna do sparkling.
Love that color. I love a good gloss. I just
so
love it.
Have a look.
Oh, it's so good.
Okay, so what do you think?
Okay, what I think, I'm obsessed with it. I love this. I could wear this during the day, at nighttime, and I'm not just saying that.
No,
I
no, no.
mean it. I love the blue.
that you love it.
I
So-
love blue in general, but not only that, but to match it with everything else is not only a day look, but also a nighttime look. I could picture me wearing this black little mini dress going out, but also waking up the next day with the same, and going to get some coffee in the morning,
and
you know?
that's the whole thing. I mean, I really want to, emphasize that these are so wearable. You can wear them for day, you can wear them for night. Add a little bit of pearl in there and it makes it so soft and so subtle. So, I mean,
Absolutely.
that's what it's all about.
And it's perfect. That's what I love about like this, especially blue. Like people do not understand that it is daytime and
I know.
it is nighttime. It's just the way that you wear it, and it's just.
Welcome to blue eyeshadow, everybody.
Welcome
Get
to blue
on
eyeshadow.
board.
I'm so down with blue eyeshadow. I'm super happy.
Oh, I'm so
Thank you
glad
so
you
much.
came by
I feel
today.
gorgeous. I feel so fresh, and the products are amazing.
Next time we're doing pinks.
I'm down.
All right,
I'm down with
cool.
pinks.
Great to see you.
Yes, so happy to see you.